Hey guys, welcome back to the wood shop. This video, I'm going to do a wood turning project, and normally I don't talk through those just because I find it myself more peaceful to just watch the shavings fly and maybe listen to a little background music. But today I thought I'd share something with you. A friend of mine by the name of Perry runs a sawmill, and he messaged me not too awful long ago and asked me if I could use any wood that was from a holly tree. And I was like, sure. I've never turned it. Didn't know what the grain looked like, that kind of stuff. And he sent it to me. And you can see after I split it, kind of the grain you get here. And I know it's kind of hard to tell right there, but I could tell almost instantly that this is going to be a unique looking bowl. And so I cut the other half of this down to 2 bulb lengths. This being one of them. You can see it's I don't remember, it seemed like it's 8 or 9 inch round. And of course you can see the finished product. Now this one I turned it, and it's got almost a Viking bowl shape is almost what they would call it, just because of the lip and that kind of stuff, the rim around it. And I am absolutely blown away with the grain on this thing. Man, that thing has got some crazy grains in it. And just impressed with it. You know, holly, like I said, I've never turned it. This one was actually pretty green, so it was pretty easy to turn, especially right in here. You know, on a dry bowl, you get a lot of end grain tear out right there, especially when you've got an undercut. And this one's got a little bit of an undercut, but because it was so green, that sanded out fairly easy. But yeah, anyway, hope you like this bowl. Hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see how we made it, just stay tuned.